Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? This is the latest update of Theta Network and latest price prediction and latest technical analysis. So let's get started this brand video. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, members, at this time the latest update is on the screen, and you can see here the change occurred. First of all, last 1 hour you can see here plus 3.94% moving upward, and last 1 day you can see here plus 21.19% moving upward, and the last 7 days as you can see here 24 points. So it's mean to the average of Theta Network is completely gone up, and the change occurred will be positive. It's mean to they are in the profit. So you know why, my friend, in upcoming times can there is a chances to the moving upward or not, my brother. You can see here the price is 9.68 USD dollar, my brother. And if you can see here the rank as 17 in a crypto market. The market cap, as you can see here, 9 billion. Yes, I think yes. And the last 24 hour 9 trillion, my friend. And the last 24 hours you can see here 8.6 billion. And if you can see here the supply as you can see here, circulating supply is absolutely 1 billion max supply, and the distribution as you can see 100%. So it's mean to this coin is completely in the profit, my brother. And if we check out the price prediction to what's going on, let's predicate this coin, my brother, to upcoming time there's a chance to them moving upward or not. My friend, I already opened the 7-day chart and I predicate these coins exactly. The direction is completely going the moon, my brother. So as you can see here, especially after a very bad falls, they're starting moving upward like a rocket. It's a good news for all of you. You can see here in the May 29 and the May 30, every cryptocurrency, my friends, fails down. But absolutely after, my friends, 31 May, my friends, they're starting moving upward like a rocket. And you can see here this time is the result is on the screen. So this is my technical analysis. I hope in upcoming times they will moving upward. Especially I hope in this week they will go in slowly, but I hope in the next week they completely going off like a rocket. So definitely, absolutely, my friends, you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now. Just in only you need to hold, my brother. And subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative video. Every strict channel will guide you, every strict channel will give you advice. So kindly remember, it's not a financial video. I will just you advise you, please research personally before you take before you invest and before you take any decision. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.